Some evenings don't ask for ambition, they ask for something gentle. Today felt like that. Full day, a lot on my mind, and not much energy to give. But I still wanted a plate that felt like care. So from my freezer, I pulled out a Chevapi mini sausage, something easy that's already frozen and waiting for me. And I'm gonna pair that with some potatoes. This is probably the part of the evening where I put in a little bit of effort. I get the potatoes ready, cut them into bite sizes, and season. Getting it ready into the oven. The seasoning is just to build in a little bit of flavor into the potatoes. For today, somehow, I was craving for a bit of flavor, so I used simple pantry staples and added in a bit of cold margarine or butter. The potatoes go into the oven, slowly doing their thing in the background. No pressure, no rush. And while everything comes together, I paused. I just stood there for a second and let the quiet of the kitchen settle in. No noise, no thinking ahead, just being here. I added a simple salad, nothing complicated, something fresh to balance everything out. The frozen Chevapi is ready to go into the baked potatoes. I bring out my pan, added in the sausage, and a bit of onion for added texture and flavor. Goes back in the oven and bakes beautifully. As I begin plating everything, I slow down, not to make it perfect, but to notice it, the warmth, the colors, the fact that I showed up for myself today. Not cooking to impress, not cooking to perform, but just feeding myself in a way that feels steady. And even before taking a bite, a quiet pause, a small breath, letting the day soften just a little. This wasn't complicated, but enough.